Today I'm going to be making a pineapple upside down cake. Now I will walk you through the steps, but I will have the handwritten recipe in the description box below. I'm going to be using some of our home canned pineapple that I love to buy when it's on sale and can up a bunch. I poured a stick of melted butter around the ring in the bottom of the bundt pan. Then I poured a quarter cup of brown sugar, then some pineapple and pineapple juice. I mixed up my batter, and I'm going to be adding soft white wheat flour to my cake just for some extra added benefits with a little bit of baking powder. And I did add more juice to this than the recipe calls for because I'm adding the soft white wheat flour. Now, if you don't meal your own flour or grind your own grains down to make your own flour, you just by all means stick to the recipe. But I wanted a little bit of extra nutrition and goodness, so I did add my own freshly milled flour that comes from soft white wheat berries. So I poured that in the bottom of my pan. I'm spreading it out really good. And this is one way we love to use our pineapple when we can it for pineapple upside down cake, just as a fruit. Throw in with some yogurt and some granola. Marinate and bake a ham with it. So I'm getting all the bubbles out just like that. And anytime pineapple goes on sale, y'all can you up some. This is going to go in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes, and I'm going to set my timer, and we'll see. Halfway through the baking process, you see it browning up and rising. Out of the oven it came. Look how brown and golden color and moist. It is smelling delicious. Granddaughter gave it a big thumbs up. Now the real test comes. After this has cooled for about 15 minutes, we're going to try that flip test. Y'all, I get nervous every time on the flip test. It doesn't matter if I've made this cake 1,000 times or just one. That flip test on a bundt cake will just get you every time because you're just anticipating something going wrong and sticking, but look at that. I'm always so excited when things turn out like they're supposed to. Granddaughters came to inspect my glorious dish, and one is loving the smell of it, the pineapple. And yes, it smelled so good and so rich, and it was so golden. Nothing stuck to the bottom of the bundt pan. This is just another way that we use some of our home canned produce, y'all, whether it comes from the garden or it comes from the store. I love canning and putting things in my pantry just for times like these. And this is granddaughter approved. Thanks for watching.